Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make high protein egg bites. The perfect and super delicious breakfast or grab and go snack. Today I'm making them in 3 different ways. The first is a sun-dried tomato with Parmesan cheese egg bite. The second is a Greek version. And the third is an Italian style egg bite. And I've got a little Italian blood in me, so the third one's my favorite. All right, let's get cooking. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I have included all of these recipes in the description below completely for free. If you find that helpful, would you please hit the like and subscribe? Okay, you're gonna want a mini muffin baking pan like this to make these egg bites. You're gonna preheat your oven to 350, and you'll need a food processor or a blender works perfectly fine as well. And we're just gonna be adding some cottage cheese, which is super high in protein. And we're also gonna up the protein here and add egg whites. We're also going to be adding 4 large eggs. Now we're just gonna blend everything together until it's smooth. It should look something like this. And now we're gonna grate up fresh Parmesan cheese. And also fresh spinach. Then we're gonna be chopping up some sun-dried tomatoes packed in oil. We also have fresh parsley, which I'm going to chop up as well. Now you're going to pour the egg and cottage cheese mixture into a bowl and then add all of the ingredients that we just prepared. We're also going to add some dried basil, a little bit of salt, and fresh pepper. I forgot to add the smoked paprika, but you also want to add that for extra flavor. We're just gonna prepare the muffin pan here with a little bit of oil. And we'll fill each spot up right to the top. Gonna put it in the oven at 350 for 25 minutes. Now we're gonna prepare the Greek version. We're adding our cottage cheese, our egg whites, and some whole eggs. Once again, you're gonna blend it. And now we're gonna add fresh feta cheese. And again, we're gonna chop up fresh spinach. Next, we're gonna get some cherry tomatoes, and we're also gonna chop them up. And this wouldn't be Greek without black olives, so we're gonna chop up some Kalamata black olives. Here I have fresh oregano, and I'm also gonna chop that up finely. You'll need 1 fresh garlic clove, and you can just mince this. A little bit of salt, and add everything into the bowl. And don't forget some fresh pepper as well. Stir it all together. And then we're gonna prepare our muffin pan with a little bit of oil and fill each spot up to the top. You're gonna bake this at 350 for 30 minutes. And while that's baking, we're going to prepare the Italian. You'll need your cottage cheese, and you guessed it, more eggs, and also some egg whites again. Blend until smooth. I'm grating up some mozzarella cheese, and I chose a low-fat version for this recipe. I also have some spicy Italian salami, and I'm going to chop that up. And here I have fresh basil, and I'm going to chop that up as well. Pour everything into a large bowl, and I'm going to add some dried Italian seasoning mix. And I'm also adding pizza sauce. Only 2 tablespoons, but it adds a really nice flavor and it also changes the color. And I'll also add 1 clove of garlic. A little bit of salt and pepper, and I'm just going to put everything in the bowl. Stir it all together. I'm preparing my muffin pan again with a little bit of oil and filling each spot up to the top. You're going to bake it at 350 for 25 minutes. Okay, here they are. You'll know they're done when they've puffed up in the pan and the tops have just slightly browned. These really are the perfect snack. I love them. They're low calorie, high protein, low fat, and low carb. And even my son Ben loves these so much. He's been asking me for them every single day. So I've been baking these like crazy lately. I'm really curious which one you guys think looks the best, so let me know in the comments below. And here you have it, my high protein egg bites in 3 different ways. These are so delicious, guys. You have to try them. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you try my recipes. And if you do, please let me know in the comments below what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys soon.